Crypto Queen here with the XRP update, the future of finance. I just wanted to show you this clip. This is going to be a brief video. If you would like a one-on-one session to discuss your personal goals with crypto, please email me at zendevin@gmail.com and put crypto in uppercase letters in your request. Otherwise, you can comment here, ask some questions I might be able to answer right here. So that being said, this is not financial advice. I simply share what I do and what I research on the daily, and that's it. Please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, and if you like the content, please hit that thumbs up and share it with a friend. You know, we all have to learn about crypto somewhere, right? So let's get going. This is about XRP today.
The future of finance, part 2. And they state cryptocurrencies like Ripple have significant potential to disrupt the international money transfer market. And that is why, again, ladies and gentlemen, they're getting sued by the SEC because
there we go. That's why, because it's a disruptor. Boom. Nobody likes a disruptor, especially big banking cartels, right? And the SEC, Gary Gensler, has proven that he's nothing but a bankster, I guess, you know, in charge of the SEC's connection with the whole matter. It's ridiculous, but let's listen.
Disruption is going to be industrial, like changing the whole financial system, and they know how big this is going to be. And they, in the little diagram, they said funds flow Ripple, okay, payment matching and instructions. They know how big this is going to get. That's why.
Of course, they know how big it's going to get. With XRP running the show, one currency from one country can shift from, well, let's say Thai baht to US dollars in 3 seconds. And it'll be in the account in the United States, or vice versa. You want to send money to someone in Thailand? Great. That is not how it works now. I've said it on many videos. I use Swift, which is very slow. For many years when I lived in Singapore, changing money from Singapore dollar to an account here in the United States, it would take 5 to 7 business days. They would charge accordingly, depending on how many thousands I was moving for that privilege. And where were those thousands in the meantime? Oh, exchanging hands for currency. That's archaic in the years 2000 plus, okay? So let's listen again. Sorry to interrupt, but I just wanted to give you my personal experience, because a lot of people, they don't even know what Swift is. And it's in the back office of your, let's say you're banking online. You can find it back there. Some people call it wire transferring, and it's very similar, but you have a Swift code that's assigned to your account, and you can move money to some other account at another bank internationally, but you have to switch up the currency first, and it takes a while. Like I said, Swift is slow. Anyway, that's my explanation. Let's keep going.
That's why they put the brakes on it. In today's video, we saw Ripple indirectly working with Swift and the DTCC. The facts are out there. I cannot believe this contour of Voltron and it being connected to this Finestra. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I do appreciate every single one of you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And we will be back.
Now, back here. Okay, yeah, 50 secret banks already using XRP in silence, question mark. To be honest, I didn't watch this whole video. Let's take a look at the comments and see. How are you going to make these? Write all that in text in such a short amount of time. Exceptional work. Okay, yeah, that was very good. And I like that he has the words down here. I always like a good outline of what people are saying, because you never know what you're going to miss, right? Kaboom moment for XRP. Yes. Ripple and Brad Garlinghouse has been making deals with, and I don't mean shady deals, I mean deals, interesting deals to work with different companies and banks around the world. So whether they're secret right now, the issue is that, listen, like I said, if you didn't know about Swift and you wanted to move some money, you would just use the wire transfer. It uses Swift. I forget what that stands for right now, but in the near future, when the SEC decides to wrap this with XRP and Ripple, they'll be using XRP for ODL, on-demand liquidity, okay? And there's a lot of it. There's trillions of dollars moving around the world every day, okay? So XRP would take that currency and instantly switch it, as I said before, and it's gone in 3 seconds and into the other account. And that would change up the world of finance dramatically, would it not? And for those of us who are holding XRP, this could be a good opportunity to really score. You know, if you're holding a bag of XRP, just keep on holding. My prediction is second or third quarter of 2023 for at least a reasonable bull run, okay? If you hold on until 2025, I think you'll be in for a very pleasant surprise. This isn't financial advice. Once again, I'm just sharing what I'm doing based on the knowledge that I have about this coin, okay? Now, I wanted to just go over here quickly. And people have said to me, well, you know, XRP has been going from 35 to 41 cents for a long time, blah, 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 blah. Yep, I know. And the SEC needs to cut the nonsense, and we'll see what happens. Like this article in the Daily HODL on February 1st, low-cap crypto asset surges 219% after contentious SEC decision. Could XRP do the same? What's the answer? I'm going to say yes. Okay, I'm going to wrap it right there. You can read this in the Daily HODL if you'd like. It's dailyhodl.com. In the search box, you can put in XRP. I will link this in my description box below, as I will with this for 24-hour crypto. I also, as you can see, listen to Mickle Markets. Both are great to follow on YouTube as well as Digital Asset Investor. So on that note, I'm going to wrap it up. Thank you so much for being with me, and I truly appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next video.